So Shawnee TV is running a workshop for learning how to operate camera. We have a ton of awesome equipment in studio. It's good to get up to speed with some of the more technical things, and then how to use it creatively. So I think we really want to get to the point where it's a tool that we use all the time without having to think, and to get towards the creative side of how to get the best images in camera. The workshop is going to be across multiple weeks because there's a pretty good amount of information to learn. So our first one, we were just doing a bit of the safety and how to best tips and tricks to get a camera stable up on top of a tripod. And then from there we have lots of moving rigs. So this is like a gimbal over my shoulder here that, you can move around and, set focus with a motor on it. So, there's things that require a little bit more technical expertise, but I like to have a 9 times out of 10 perspective on what I would do if I was operating equipment. A lot of times I would just be on a simple system on top of a tripod with a nice camera and a nice lens and a good audio equipment, and then go from there with the creative. So the first one was more of this, how to get on top of a tripod, and some of the tips and tricks on stability and what to do with it. And then the next one's going to get a little bit more into camera. Come down to the studio, no experience necessary. We're in here every morning, right off the bus you come here. Lunch and learn, we're typically in here as well. Stop down.